Welcome to SysCloud. In this video, we'll give you a walkthrough of SysCloud Backup for QuickBooks Online. SysCloud Backup for QuickBooks Online is designed to help users quickly recover lost data from accidental deletions, ransomware attacks, and other data loss events. Under QuickBooks Online, we backup financial data such as invoices, bills, and bank transactions, as well as customer and vendor information. Setting up QuickBooks Online Backup using SysCloud is very simple. You can securely connect your QuickBooks Online account, select the companies to be included in the backup, and define the retention period for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day. We also have an on-demand backup option in case you want to instantly run an incremental backup for a specific company. Once you've configured your backup, you can see a comprehensive dashboard where you can track the backup progress at a company level. The dashboard also displays the usage stats, backup and restore health reports and errors, backup trends, admin roles available, and audit logs of all the activities. In the backup archives, you can drill down into each company to view all its transactions, lists, and attachables. Instead of having to go through multiple steps to navigate to the archives, you can make use of SysCloud's Smart Navigation feature to quickly navigate to the archives or dashboards for any company. SysCloud lets you effortlessly restore data and can skip or overwrite existing records. The attachables associated with the transactions and list items will be restored automatically. You can also export data from your backup archives. If you have trouble finding the data you're looking to restore or export, we have advanced search options that will help you locate your data based on filters like invoice number, document ID, vendor name, and more, depending on the item you want to restore. To help you deal with ransomware and data corruption, we have a point-in-time restore feature which will allow you to choose a previous version of your archives and restore the version intact. SysCloud Backup app has several features that make it easy for administrators to manage backups and handle restore requests. Administrators can set up multiple backup admin roles with granular controls on access rights. Admins can also keep track of all the restores and exports using our detailed restore and export reports. With SysCloud's granular progress tracking, you can get an accurate time of completion for all your restores and exports. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to back up and manage critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today.